Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inde and today we're making dried fish stew. So I basically have my paste of pepper and onions boiling here. I did not use any tomatoes for this recipe. I allowed the pepper and the onions to boil down and then I divided the portion that I needed. Seasoned it with a little bit of seasoning. I was very careful because I was going to use a little bit of the chicken stock from the fried chicken stew. So I wanted to be very careful so that the sauce of the chicken does not overpower the essence of the dried fish. So just to sweeten it up a little and to give us that to build flavor. All right. And then I'm adding our dried fish, washed, cleaned, very nice. I already have a detailed video on how I wash my dried fish and all of that, so I'm not going to go into that. This stew is very straightforward. Boil your peppers, onions. If you want to use tomatoes, please feel free. I didn't want to use tomatoes for this recipe, and I am boiling this in about I think half a liter of vegetable oil. So basically, I'm just going to let this boil down. Our smoked fish, smoked dried fish, is already very cooked, so you want to be careful with that. And I already have a smoked fish recipe that is almost similar to this actually. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put a link to everything that I mentioned in this video so that it's a bit more explanatory. Thank you so much. This sauce can be paired with rice, yam. Very nice. It's so nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, guys. I love you.